quick explainer video on the steps required to purchase and invest in Wise token. I maybe about a month ago, maybe 3 weeks ago, through a business network, um, got a referral from a friend in Nashville about this Wise token. He had been researching it, following it online very closely, and he told us about it. Um, and I just heard about it, got a chance to meet some of the people behind the Wise token, and they just seem like good, credible people. I'm not some big crypto investor. I do have some crypto holdings. I have done well. I'm primarily a business investor and operator. I do a little bit of real estate. Most of my personal holdings are in business equity and with some in crypto. Okay, so I'm not a crazy expert in this. So if I can walk somebody through it, then you can do it. Okay, because somebody had to walk me through it because I didn't know how to do this. Uh, once I kind of got it and understood what was going on, it's very, very straightforward, very simple. Okay, so the three things that you're gonna need, actually the four things that you're gonna need, is a Chrome browser. You're gonna want to do all of this on Google Chrome, and I'll explain to you why a little bit later. A Coinbase account. I'm gonna just kind of highlight what that is and how to set it up. The WiseToken.net, which is what you can see right here. This is actually the homepage for the Wise token itself, and a Uniswap. Okay, so Uniswap is just a platform. You don't necessarily need to do anything special or different. Once you get your everything set up, a lot of this stuff plugs in for you. But we'll start with taking care of business first. The first thing that you need to do is you actually need to buy Ethereum. You need to get Ethereum and do something with it, right? I moved. This is Coinbase. This is one of the wallets that I use. I'm recommending that most beginners start with Coinbase. It's probably the most widely used, easiest, most simple wallet for beginners to start. It looks and feels very similar to like if you got like a Robinhood account or something like that, it looks very similar to that. The difference between this and Robinhood is that you can actually interact with other wallets, whereas in Robinhood, you can only buy coins. You can't send the coins to another user. So that's kind of one of the key differences. So you can buy Bitcoin on Robinhood, you can buy Ethereum on Robinhood, but you can't purchase anything with those coins. All you can do is convert them back into money. Um, and that may or may not work for you depending on how you're funding your strategy. But you want to start with something like Coinbase, and you're just going to very simply, once you set up your account, you're going to go to buy and sell, and you're going to buy whatever. You're not buying Bitcoin. I mean, you can buy Bitcoin, but the purpose of what we're doing is to buy Wise. You need to buy Ethereum. Okay, no, you're not buying Ethereum Classic. You're buying Ethereum. Okay, ETH. Okay, and pretty much you could just, there's daily limitations on how much of any of this stuff you can actually buy. I'm just gonna buy. We're gonna say $50 worth. Okay, of Ethereum. I got it coming out of my wealth from there. You go. You know. Um, so I'm buying, 0.04 4/100ths of an ETH. Right. So, uh, my purchase. So I did that to demonstrate to you. Just something pretty important that conceptually you should understand. Okay, while this transaction is happening, sometimes it takes a couple seconds to happen. Boom. Okay, cool. Um, Notice how you see these prices and stuff, and it just seems like wow. What I'm saying Ethereum's $1,190. That Bitcoin's trading at 36,000. You don't have to have $1,190. You don't need 36,000. I just bought $50 of Ethereum. That you could buy it in a fraction of a coin. You don't necessarily need to have the whole coin to buy the whole coin at once. That's what makes this very advantageous for newer beginners. You can start with as little as $10, $5, whatever you got. But you won't get any returns if you don't invest. Okay. So once you bought your Ethereum, you're gonna be pumped. You're gonna see it show up, and you're gonna be happy, and you're gonna be thinking, okay, cool. What's the next move? Well, the next move is actually to wait. If you're a new investor, there's a 4 to 5 day vesting period. So while you'll be able to see the Ethereum in your account, in your portfolio, you'll be able to see very clearly, in the transactions and stuff, like, hey, I just bought, $48 and a penny worth of Ethereum. Why I'm, you'll be able to see that, but what it's not vested yet. I can't actually spend or trade any of this for another 4 to 5 days. Okay. So once you get this set up, you want to make that transaction with whatever amount you feel comfortable with pretty much as quickly as possible. So if you know you want to invest, $1,000 in Wise Coin by way of Ethereum, you want to put that $1,000 in today. If you know it's going to be 500, you need to put that 500 in today. If it's going to be 100, it's going to be today. It doesn't really matter what the price of Ethereum or Wise tokens is, because ultimately you're only going to be able to get in as soon as you can anyway. So whatever number you're comfortable with, just roll with that. If it's $200, boom, buy $200 worth of Ethereum. You're going to transfer that into Wise. Ethereum at this point is just a vehicle. Okay, but presuming that you've waited your 4 day period and you've got some ETH and you're ready to send it. Okay. All right. The link to Coinbase is right in the subject. Probably right in the notes of the video. So you can click on that and set up your Coinbase account. All right. The very next thing you need to do is click on the Wise token link that's also in the notes. So you're going to click on that and it's going to take you to this page. The page that you click on is probably going to look a little bit different because you don't have an account. It's not open. There's going to be a button somewhere around right here that says connect with MetaMask. Connect with MetaMask. And what MetaMask is a Chrome extension. So it's going to exist right up here, right next to your search bar. It's going to be like a little fox, right? So once you set up your MetaMask account, you just walk through the steps, right? It's only like 60 seconds. It's super simple. But once you get it open and you open up your MetaMask, you're going to see that it defaults to just 0 ETH. Okay, your first time doing this, you're going to have 0 ETH. Okay, and I recommend that as soon as you set up your Coinbase and you make the transaction for the Ethereum, that you go ahead and set this up too. You can't really do much with it, but one important step that has to be taken is you do need to add a token. Okay, and this is something that throws a lot of people off, especially if you've never done this before. You see this button here that says add token on your screen. You're not going to see the Wise. Okay, I've already taken these steps. I already got Wise here. I got Wise staked. I got Wise in a couple of different places. So you're not gonna see this on yours the first time. What you're gonna do is you're gonna click add token. You're gonna go to custom token, and then you're gonna actually paste in the contract address that I have in the notes on the video. Okay, so just copy and paste that right in here. Now again, when I paste it in, I get a notification that this token has already been added. That's because I've already taken this step. When you do it, the word Wise is going to pop in on the token symbol. Decimals of precision is probably going to default to 18. You're going to click next, and I think you need to click next again or something like that. Check a box, click next. But then once you do it, after a couple seconds, then your wallet, your MetaMask wallet is going to look like this. You're probably going to have 0 Ethereum and 0 Wise tokens. Okay? Your account number is what you set up when you first open the account, and that's right here. Okay? This is important because how do I get my Ethereum to my MetaMask so that I can do this? I can have Wise tokens. All right, that's what's going to happen after your 4 to 5 day waiting period. So let's stop for a second. We're going to hypothetically say that you've waited the 4 to 5 day waiting period. Your Ethereum, however much you purchase, is ready to send. And what you're going to do, you're going to go into your Coinbase. You're going to hit send and receive. Okay. You're going to have your Wise website open. You're going to click on the MetaMask Wallet and hover over this, and it's gonna say copy to clipboard, and you just tap it. Yeah, that's gonna copy. You're gonna decide how much of your Ethereum you want to send. I'm gonna send $100. I'm going to paste that wallet address. Okay, not the contract amount, the wallet address from your MetaMask. So you're sending this, think about this as like a bank account. You're sending this from your Coinbase bank account to your MetaMask bank account. Okay, so you're going to continue, boom. Okay, and send now. Okay, they're going to give you this warning. It's irreversible. Now I have two-factor authentication on mine. So I actually got to log into my phone. I need to get the app. Let's go ahead and do this. And boom. Okay. And takes a couple seconds to recognize the confirmation. Boom, and I'm good to go. Okay, cool. So I've sent my Ethereum. That's done. Now I can go back to my Wise token page. I can pull out my MetaMask, and I should see pretty soon, in a couple of seconds, I should see Ethereum and Wise, whatever amount you sent. This is from $100 I sent a little bit earlier, but let me see if I can swap directly. Okay, so you can't swap directly from your MetaMask, but that's okay. Okay, you see right there. You see how that amount. Notice it was just 100 and some bucks. The transfer I just sent just posted to my account. All right. So okay, I've got some Ethereum. In your case, will probably have 0 Wise, and the question becomes, how do I get from the Ethereum into the Wise token? Because that's really where the Wise token is, what you're investing in. Okay, so this is how you do it. All right, you're gonna click on the link for Uniswap. Okay, because Wise token is so new, literally just launched on January 1st, so that was about 5 days ago. It's not available to be swapped on every token, including MetaMask, which is like the main one connected to it. So what you do is you click on the Uniswap link that I gave you, and then you're gonna go down here. You're gonna select Wise token, okay, and then you're gonna select trade. Now you might be thinking to yourself, well, why don't I have to set up an account on Uniswap? Because by having your MetaMask, I understand. By having your MetaMask as a plugin, it automatically logs you in to Uniswap to do this transaction. Now, I'm not converting Wise back into Ethereum. I'm not ready to do that yet because the Wise is currently worth a lot of money. You know what I'm saying? What I'm doing is I'm taking my Ethereum and I'm converting it into Wise. So I'm going to take a little bit less. There is a transaction fee. So my balance is 0.17725 if that's what I have in that wallet. So I'm going to say I'm going to do 0.15. And that should give me 422 and a half Wise. Okay. And then I'll just do this swap. And once I confirm the swap, it usually takes, my little fox will pop up, and I have to confirm the transaction. Boom, and then I'm Gucci. I'm done. So from that point, you go back to your little fox, and probably by the time you pull it up, you're gonna start seeing, where the investment has went from this balance, and I'm just gonna, because it's still pending on the site. So once this clears, then we should be good to go. So I'm just going to wait for this, and then we'll conclude the video. And you'll have your Wise token. I'll give you a link on where you can go to look at the value of Wise to see Boom. Okay, so the swap has been executed. So if I go back to Wise, I pull up my MetaMask, and you'll see that boom, the number has gone down, and now I have more Wise, and that's how you capitalize and execute the transaction on Wise.